students, in the previous period we learned about addition and subtraction of 6 digit, 7 digit numbers, isn't it? And we did the mix up also of the addition and subtraction for the word problems and letter. Now, in this period, we have to learn about the multiplication and division. Okay, now first we will see the multiplication of the 3-digit number to 2-digit number, 3-digit number to 3-digit number, 4-digit to 2-digit, 3-digit like that. Okay, now remove page number 16, problem set number 14. Directly we will take the sums from that practice set. So it is easy for you also and to solve the sums, and we will complete the problem set. Okay, now see here. Question number 1, multiply. Take the first sum. The first sum is what? 327 into 92. 327 into 92. The multiplication of 3 digit to 2 digit. Okay, when we have to do the multiplication, we have to write in vertical manner first. 327 into 92. When we have to do the multiplication, we have to go with the unit place. Now see here. Here we have to multiply by 2 units. Okay. Now this multiplication I am doing here. How? See here. This is the rough calculation which you have to do. 327 into 2. Okay. 2 sevens are 14. 14 4 carry 1. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 2 threes are 6. Isn't it? So when we are multiplying 327 by 2, then what answer we are getting? 654. Understood? 654. So that answer we have to write 654. Now, which number is left? 9 number is left. Okay. When we have to add, then we have to, when we have to multiply, then we have to multiply by 9 10. 9 10 means what? We have to multiply by 90 now here. For this here, we have to multiply here by 90. Now which number is here? 327 into 90. Okay. For 90, 0, 0. 0 twos are 0. 0 threes are 0. Then here this 0 for the unit place. Then 9 sevens are 6 tables. Yes, 9 sevens are 63. 3 and 6 for the carry. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 6. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 4 for answer, 2 for carry. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 2, 29. Isn't it? And 0, 3, 4, 9, 2. Again first recheck. Is it correct or not? Calculate by 0. 0 sevens are 0. 0 twos are 0. 0 threes are 0. Okay, because we know that when we multiply by 0 to any number, we are getting the answer 0. Now we have to write 0 for the unit place, because here we are doing for the calculation of 9, 10. Because 9 is in the 10 place, isn't it? So 9 sevens are 30, 63. 63, 3 for the answer, 6 for the carry. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 4 for answer, 2 for carry. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 2, 29. Now what is the answer? 29430. Okay, so right here 3, 4, 9, 2. Okay, and 4, 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 4, 10. So 1 year carry, that number we are writing very small and writing the circle. So you can understand that that is a carry one. Okay, now it is not a number, it is a carry which is taken from the previous number. Okay, then it is 10, 3. Okay, but as you have to do the sums of 3 digit, 2 3 digit, 4 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, then these numbers which you are taking for the carry, that number you have to take in the mind. So next time I am not taking the numbers for the, not writing the numbers for the carry. We have to keep in the mind, or we are counting on the fingers. Okay. Now take the next sum. 3 digit to 3 digit. 567 into 890. Okay. First write the numbers in vertical way. 567 into 809. First do the multiplication here in the rough work. Close I am taking side by side. If you observe the textbook, there are the arrows and that, and which number is taken, that also it is mentioned. So because I have no place on the board, so I am taking one by one on that side, rough side. Okay, that is my rough side. So what is the number in the unit place? 0. So I am taking first 0. So any number multiplied by 0, we are getting the answer 0. So here 0, 0, 0. Isn't it? So that we have to write 0, 0, 0. Now, which number I have to take now here? 567 into 90. Okay? Because the number in the unit place is 0, isn't it? But the number which is in the 10th place is what? 9. What is the place value of 9? 90. Understood? Why I am taking 90 over here? It is not so that here it is 0. Because we are multiplying the 3 digit with the number 9, which is in the 10th place. So the place value of 9 is what? 90. So we are multiplying by 90 over here. Okay? So again we know that any number multiplying by 0, the answer is 0. Okay? So the number for the unit place, this 0 is for unit place number. 9 sevens are, say the table of 9. 9 sevens are 63. Now I am not writing carry on board. I am keeping 6 in my mind, because answer for the number 3 for the answer and 6 for the carry. I am keeping 6 number in the mind. Okay. Now 9 fives are 45. 45 plus 6, because 6 is carry now. So 45 plus 6. What is the number? 56. Sorry, 45. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 and 51. Okay, 6 we have to add now. So the number is 51. Do the multiplication. Do the addition. 0, 3, 1, 5. It means when we multiply 567 by 90, what answer we are getting? 5130. So write with the unit place value number there. Okay, now what is that? That 8 number is left, isn't it? So now go through that number. Now, what is the place value of 8? 800, isn't it? Okay, so multiply by 8. So both numbers are 0. So here 0, 0, 0. Then here 0, 0, 0. Because any number multiplied by 0, we are getting the answer 0. Now here 8 sevens are, now this, now 0 is for unit place, this 0 is for 10 place. Now we have to start from the 100 place. So 8 sevens are 56. Daily write the tables from 2 to 20. Till the number 20, you can learn the tables thoroughly. Write the numbers in multiplication form. Only don't write the tables as it is. 2, 4, 6 like that. 2 ones are 2. In that way you have to write the tables. Okay. Now 8 sevens are 56. So 6 for the answer, 5 for the carry. Keep it in mind. Now 8 6 are 48. 48 and this carry 5. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Isn't it? So 3 for answer and 5 again for carry. Now 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 5, 45. Add it all. 0, 0, 6, 3 and this 45 as it is. So right here 0, 0, 6, 3 and I have no place, so I am writing here on this side. 45. This is multiplied by 0. This is multiplied by 90 and this is multiplied by 800. Isn't it? Now do the addition. 0, 3, 6 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 3, 8, 5, 4. Okay? Understood? Now take the multiplication of 4 digit to 3 digit. 6,092 into 203. Okay. Now the digits are big. So here we have to. We need the little bit big space. When you are solving the notebook, try to solve very carefully. Do the partition. And whereas big arrows and that all do one side. And if you have no place, go leave some space. Now you know that how many lines you need when we have to multiply with 3 digits. Almost we need 3 lines and 1 number for the calculation, 1 line for the calculation, isn't it? So here when you are solving you need maximum 6 to 7 lines, isn't it? So leaving 6 to 7 lines, you do the further calculations. Now, again as it is, start from the unit place number. Here, multiply by the number 3. 6092 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. 27, 7 for answer, 2 for carry. Don't write on the. Now multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. 7 for answer, 2 for carry. Keep in your mind. 3 zeros are 0. Add the carry. 0 plus 2, 2. 3 6s are 8. Okay. Now this is a multiplication by 3. So that number we are writing here. Okay. Now which multiplication we have to do here? 0. 6 0 9 2 into 0. We know any number we multiply by 0, we are getting the answer 0. So here 0 0 0 0 0. But where it is 0? In the 10th place. So here we have to write 2 zeros. 1 0 or 2 0. The answer is 0, isn't it? So 5 zeros it will come. Okay. Now what is the number here now? Left 2. Here we have to write the answer for the number 2. Then 6092 into 2. But 2 is in which place? 100 place. So we have to multiply by 100. Okay. So again 0 0 0 0. This was 0 0 0 0 0. Isn't it? See. Now 2 is left. 2 is there. 200. So we have to start from the 100 place. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. Carry 1. 2 zeros are 0. 1 is carry. So 2 6s are 12. So this we have to write 0 0 4 8 1 12. Do the calculation by your own here now. Here, which number we took here? 6092 into 200. Okay, 200. For this 0, we did the multiplication. Now this 0 is in the 10th place. So first give the 0 for the unit place and then do the calculation for the 0. Then 2. 2 is in the 100 place. So for the 100 place, 0 for unit place, 0 for 10 place, and then do the calculation for the 100 place. Okay. Now what is the number here? 0 0 4 8 1 2 1. Okay. And do the addition. 6 7 2 plus 4 6 8 plus 8 16. 6 carry 1. Keep it in your mind or on finger. This 1 plus this 1 2 plus this 1 3. 2 and this 1 as it is. This is 1 now. So 1. So the answer is spell now. Unit 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh. So the answer is 12 lakh 36,676. Okay. Now see the word problem. Very first when we did addition and subtraction, that time also I told that you have to cut the sentences for the word problem. Isn't it? First read full sum, then cut it and then start to do the calculation. First, what you have to do? Then you have to do the the addition, either equal to the subtraction, or either equal to the multiplication. Isn't it? Now see, I am taking the third sum. In a plantation, sapling of 215 medical trees have been planted in each of the 132 rows of trees. How many saplings are there in the plantation together? See, what is given? 215 medical trees are there. And how many rows are there? It is not only one row or two rows. It is 132 rows. So, here we have to do the multiplication. Can we add 215 by 132 times? No, it is not possible. But we can multiply, isn't it? So, here we have to do the multiplication. So, multiply 215 by 132. Okay. Now, how we have to write the statement for the word problem that we have to see. See now, in a plantation, stacking of 215 medical trees, isn't it? Now what is that? Number of trees, isn't it? So here 250, right in front of that number of trees. Medical trees it is, so but write trees because we have no place not to write a big sentence. So number of trees we can write. Then 132. What is that? 132. It is number of rows, isn't it? So into 132. What is that? Number of rows. In that number of rows, the trees are planted, isn't it? So here we have to write. Now we have to do the calculation. Same. First here multiply by 2 first. Multiplying by 2 units. Isn't it? Multiplying by 2 units. Here I am multiplying. Now see here. 250 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 2s are 4. Okay. So multiplying by 2 units. What is the answer? 430. Isn't it? So right here 430. Now which number we are taking? Multiplying by which number? 3 tens. 3 tens we are multiplying. 3 tens. So here 215 into 3 tens means 30. Isn't it? 3 tens means 30. Now we know that if we multiply any number by 0, we are getting 0 only. So this 0 take as it is and start to multiply by 3 directly. Now, okay. 3 5s are 15. 1 4 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 1. What is the answer? 4. 3 2s are 6. Now when we multiply by 3 tens, what answer we are getting? 6,450. So write it 450. Now what is left? Here multiplying by 100. Isn't it? So start to multiply. 250 into 100. Again take these two zeros and 250. Okay, as it is because 215 ones are 215. So directly I need 215 arrow. Okay, so write that 0 0 and this 250. Add this on 0 as it is. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5, 30. 3. Carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. What is that 1? Which is we are taking for the carry, that is 1. That 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus this 1, 8. And this 2. So, how many trees are planted altogether? Understood? So, here we have to write the total number of trees. Total number of trees are 28,380. Or you can write the 28,380 plants are planted all together. In that way you can write. Okay. Now take the question number 8. Frame a multiplication word with the number 5,473 and 627 and solve. Okay. Now you have the examples from question number 2 to question number 10. Read that examples and frame a question by your own and solve it. Okay. In the next period, we will continue with the division of the numbers. Thank you.